Ants, as small as they are, exhibit complex behaviors and organizational skills that are crucial for their survival. Their ability to navigate and find their way back to their hill is an essential part of their daily life, crucial for their individual survival and the well-being of the entire colony. An ant forgetting its hill ways could lead to a series of cascading problems that would affect not only the lost ant but also the colony at large. Firstly, ants rely heavily on their ability to navigate using pheromone trails. These chemical trails are laid down by worker ants as they move, serving as a map that other ants follow. If an ant forgets its way back to the hill, it might lose the connection to these pheromone trails. This disconnection could lead the ant to wander aimlessly, unable to find food or return resources to the colony. The efficiency of the colony's foraging efforts would be severely hampered as a result. Without the ability to navigate back, the ant would also be unable to participate in the crucial task of food collection. Foraging is a fundamental activity for ants. It ensures that the colony has a steady supply of food to sustain its members, particularly the queen and the larvae. An ant lost and unable to return to its hill is an ant that is not contributing to this vital task, which could lead to a shortage of resources within the colony. Moreover, the loss of an ant's ability to return to its hill disrupts the colony's internal communication and cooperation systems. Ants communicate with each other using a variety of methods, including the exchange of pheromones. When an ant finds a food source, it communicates this to its fellow ants through these chemical signals. If an ant cannot return to the hill, it cannot share this information, leading to inefficiencies in the foraging process and potentially causing the colony to miss out on valuable food sources. The structure of ant colonies relies on the precise coordination of tasks among its members. Worker ants are responsible for foraging, caring for the young, and maintaining the nest. The absence of even a single ant disrupts this delicate balance. If multiple ants were to forget their way back, the cumulative effect could significantly impair the colony's functionality, leading to a decline in its overall health and productivity. Furthermore, the survival of the lost ant itself is at stake. Ants are social insects that depend on the collective efforts of the colony for protection and sustenance. An isolated ant, separated from its colony, is highly vulnerable to predators and environmental hazards. Its chances of survival are drastically reduced without the support of its colony members. This vulnerability extends to the potential loss of valuable genetic material. If the lost ant is a worker, the immediate impact is on the colony's labor force. However, if the lost ant is a reproductive member, such as a queen or a male, the implications are even more significant. The loss of reproductive individuals can affect the colony's ability to produce future generations, potentially leading to a decline in population over time. Additionally, the inability of an ant to navigate back to its hill can indicate broader environmental issues. Ants are known to be highly sensitive to changes in their environment. Factors such as pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change can interfere with their ability to follow pheromone trails and navigate effectively. If multiple ants are forgetting their way back, it could be a sign of environmental stressors that are affecting the entire ecosystem. This broader perspective underscores the interconnectedness of species within an ecosystem and highlights the potential cascading effects that the loss of a single species' navigational abilities can have on the environment as a whole. The implications of an ant forgetting its hill ways extend to the overall fitness and evolutionary success of the colony. Natural selection favors traits that enhance an individual's ability to survive and reproduce. An ant's ability to navigate and find its way back to the colony is one such trait. An ant forgetting its hill ways can have profound consequences for both the individual ant and the colony as a whole. The disruption of foraging efficiency, communication, and division of labor within the colony, combined with the increased vulnerability of the lost ant, highlights the critical importance of navigational abilities for ants. Additionally, the broader environmental and evolutionary implications underscore the interconnectedness of species within ecosystems and the potential cascading effects of disruptions to individual species' behaviors. This scenario serves as a reminder of the delicate balance that underpins natural systems and the complex interplay of factors that contribute to the survival and success of social insect colonies. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.